unya live telecast ya na wa share the amami why Ghana for Obaswa no wa share amami why share amami na yenko ntem ai say the amount for hard o Ghana for no hey, welcome back. Okay, so somebody will ask that why most of my live telecast no me internet bundle no so me internet bundle no on say what data usage limit inti ma set the atoso inti say live streaming na me you say dear na me you ade bi a me ye bia no say eduru usage limit na me di atoso na then I just say me cut no what you say it drew usage limit na I just say me yede me cut no na me sa sha se foforo sa na tie enti madaro ma enu enti na ma me ye ne sa no mon kafra enti die ne nsankan e bia no bomodin na share link ne ma na ne nsentiminka okay. You are all welcome on board. Should I continue? Let's wait for a few people. Majority of them are not aware. Don't forget to click on the like button. Okay. So Fujima, munyina masaba. Namunda. Munyina masaba on. Munyina masaba. Kindly share the link. Share. Munchicha link no. Okay. Afi yasenya omunyina back. Enti entoaso. And pertaining to what I was actually saying, Machro say in Shirano, you will move a hood fall. Your prosperity, your blessings, your wealth, and your success. What you say? say sika kwan no I will say money runs the world. Adie bi e wa asase so bi a ye bia no what you say ye di sika na eye eno nti no e di ebiem eni nti ye wo prosperity wo ho ye wo success e wo ho ye wo blessings and ye wo wealth enti na madin kan tichi eye prosperity awie a na ye kire eye you can say success emu what you say enunti success no di obesum bia no ekototen obi wo ho no mo a se woni success na success no woni obi ya ade ekoro obesisi obi wa obetimi akun ho a dedicate yourself e de aboa obi nanso because of say unkura success power ntino at the end of the day nipa no ebe de ya ebe bu kwasea because you don't have that success. I will say when we talk about success, everything you do must become successful. Everything that you do must become successful. But obi oha oni success no. There are people who don't have that success power. Enti ade bi oye bia no. Enkototen echiachia ye onkrofo bi wa omo brepa ansa na omo pe bibia ansa na omo nsaka. Because you don't have that success keys. You were no ho. Nti na ma ye promise and fail. Ubehu ye say bema bi abu oba bi kwasea, oba bi abu bema bi kwasea. Obi abu aju bi obi aye say eno ye success. So eno ye success ho. Obi betimi aka say nani obeden a prosper abra onye successful. Ma me kire wade. Prosperity no aye say udi na on say obi ho a obi timi promise no aka kire o say bra beje $10,000 and $1,000 na efa kobo bra instead of say date anytime when nipa no share wo no obe ona no eduru ho asa nipa no ona obe bresa obe bre what you say obe bresa ansana enipa no sa de no de ama eno no enye success no you have prospered ade na wo kan wadi yi you have prospered but the prosperity is not much. It has limitation. Anybody who has been prospered, it has limitation. Though you have gotten what you're looking for, but you have really suffered. You have paid it painfully before you got it. There are some of you people, that's how your life has become. Your oncophobia, mo shemia. Sana musumai akoye. Mo brand sana mo nye bibi but e wo mo ana ye. Nti ano no ye prosperity no but ye was success wo ho ansa na we about wealth ne de eno wa hunya de doso ene ne ma ototo cars ene ma ototo nsase ene ma opiebie companies ene ma unya sika emoroso ene ma usisi fie moroso. And your friend, wealth. Success is different from wealth. What you say? Success is different from wealth. Wealth, nedie. Eno nipa krona. Ye beye sa adie na ma ono. Eno no carry a lot. Obi o ha ne dan eye ba akopɛ. E dan no kra no bra ya ansa na otimesi obi kura ne dan si muram obi wo ha ni fie ho enkura na age aboso dan tietie bi na wasi ano kura 3 bedroom 4 bedroom aboro so 5 6 bedroom bi na wasi ho eno kura ni fie ho kura no ni fie ho no luxury bia ni ho ahun say ye wo joy and ye wo happiness joy nko and happiness nko sanity enti ni fie ho no luxury bia ni ho obi wo kura ni fie no watimi ahyehye be 3 bedrooms bi and wa plaster baby ho kura on plaster na wo fie ho ne wura ho wo dia efan ye garden waduadua menken wo ho waduadua bode waduadua banche wo fie ho kura no emponchenani wo ho dodo what you say and no you have prospered. That is why you have been able to acquire a land. You have prospered. That is why you have been able to acquire a land. You have been prospered. Where did ye? What you say? Anything what me I thought asase ana what me asifie no. What prosper no. And you can say all those who have been prospered should come out. The pachos where did ye because who fear but I just say ufie no mponchene wo ho bebre ana say ufie no nyansi wie but where did ye? Ye kan abrabo no where did ye? But omo ye wealth ne de we create it. Listen to me, we create wealth. We create wealth. And you can never create wealth without the help of a spirit. Obi no obetimi create wealth. And your friend ahunya wa ahunya de o ka enye baako fie enye baako o wa ahunya de ye create na no ye gisi ye ma utumi adentia de entia ye ma utumi ni se uwo efie baako a udi agoro a yale bi bebo am waton efie no so hu enti efie mienu efie miensa efie enan enum uwo nsase uwo kasa eno no oburu yedie so oburu success so na emom no eno ye kan say ahunya yese maami we o ahunya de bebre papa we o ahunya de bebre enti eno no ye create but eno no ye build ade de man na ya free to media man na to me na establish you eno me ye but your men frame wa bompa ya me betiu why any ye what blessing ni nyina omo headquarters any blessing no de eno no so no e wo mu for okay kan Genesis 49 I think verse number 20 thereabout or something 19 20 21 22 or something like that. It specifically lists the type of blessings that we have. Osoro soro nshira. Wow. Ana yewo yefunu nshira. Yewo asase so ni asase asin nshira. Nti yewo nshira ho. Obi a ono pe nshira no so no eno no ye de yet say ring. Ye de yet say ring. Ye wa de a ye be ye necessary ring ana bibisa na ye de amount. And only a point of contact as a blessing at the mouth. Inti blessing no dear, it is highly transferable. And we are the mawa a yawodia permanently. Ultimate transfer ma oba. Ebina nyankopon de ma David. Or transfer ma ne ba Solomon. Ebina nyankopon de ma Abraham. But Abraham dear no, dear were the man no Melchizedek. Or call Melchizedek or now command gold no. Or man is sikakesi. And Melchizedek so yes, or Bob blessing the man. Inti a hono na man yankopon ka so be ma nasefo nyina ye nhira. Nti obi wo no mo a wo hwe mi no. Utimi benya wealth. but unye nhyira. Listen to me, you have wealth, you have prospered, you are successful, but you are not a blessing. Let me show you the difference. Let me cite an example for you to understand. Obi wo ha unye nhyira, but wadi hie na so unye nhyira. Unim die ntia. Die ntia unye nhyira ne say wo bia watimi asifie, watimi atoka, watimi atoplot. Enso uwu a wo ba bia ntimi meye yie te se woda. Ne wabre tienie, de wabre anya no ebesa afiri wo nsa. Enu nti na obi wo ha ɔte ase no na ɔwɔ sika paa. Nanso owu a obonse na ne mma aye basa basa. Enso ɔte ase no na oyedie. Die nti ne se saa nipa no na oyedie nso na onye nhyira. Enti blessings, we transfer it. It is highly transferable. You can transfer blessings. Enti nam nhyira na ɛwɔ usunti no. Utimi fra oba na de a transfer man. So utimi fra obi a open asem na wa transfer the amano. Enti ubon se sa nhyira no abeye genealogy. Enti ne obi wo ha na papa wosika na maame wosika. Enso abra papa wuye, abra maame wuye no. Efie ho aye basa. Ni nyina ne se na maame adi yie, papa adi yie. What you say? Maame adi yie, papa adi yie. Nanso so papa nye nhyira. Enti nam se papa nye nhyira ni enti no. Ada papa ni bewuo no. Saa yedie no ebe hya ase se efiri abusuanim. Enti wo behu sikani bi a na o sika pa ebebo ni din ne se man we no sika o. But ne ba bonse na obre wa ba asesa adentia. The father was not a blessing. Lord Mensa Loga was say a true pa. Yes. And there is difference between blessing, make a frame or OPATAFUOR. There is difference between blessing, wealth, success, and prosperity. And nyina nyame ye ho adwuma, but ebia no a enye free. And ye wo emwa wo ho, obi wo ha sisi a wo hwemi. Uhia be $2,000, $10,000 bi. Now the aye wa ade. Uhia be $15,000, $100,000 bi. Now the aye wa ade. Uhia be $1 million bi the aye wa ade. Eno no eye mwa, open mwa. But the fact say when you $100,000 no, eno nkyere say obe prosper. Tienye, eno nkyere say obe prosper. You are successful, but you have not prospered. Let me show you the difference. Let me show you the difference. The difference in say, uhu obi a wanya $10,000 enso ni nyina ahia fa ni afiri ni nsem. Ah? Obi wo ha wanya $10,000 enso ni nyina ahia afiri ni nsem. Inti emwa na opepe no ebetimi abam but ebefiri wonsa. Inti opemwa. Ope emwa afiri obi ho. Opemwa. Inti emwa ho. Inti yebetimi abompa ya aboa wo. Na wanya adwuma ye na sika firi mu aba. Nanso eno nkire say why you successful. Mavis Nyako, thank you very much for your compliment. I love it. Now, ubetimi anya me, ubetimi afrem odifo OPATAFUOR. Me nya adwuma ye na mabompa ya ama wo. No wanya adwuma ye ba me unya adwuma ya no nkire se wa ye yi o. Because say uja machidie ana say one ye loyal to the spirit adwuma no betimi afiri wonsa. Because to me now all fight o na on pese ubenya adwuma ye nti a wama wote ho no mu no obi di ni to me na abeboa o amwanya adwuma ye no ɔsɛ woyɛ lawyer di ne kyerɛ sɛ so ogyaa wo mu anaa ne werɛ firi wɔ abrabɔ mu a wobɛhu sɛ ɔsenke adwuma no koraa ɛtumi firi wo nsa enti ɛno yɛ mmoa ɔpatafoɔ bɛrima bi ahyɛ me bɔ ɔpatafoɔ obi ahyɛ me bɔ ebi ame ɔpatafoɔ mahyɛ wo bɔ bi a me se mɛboa wo ɛno sɛ meboa wo a ɛyɛ mmoa na wanya ɛno wɔ hɔ ɛno ɛyɛ mmoa but ɛno nkyerɛ sɛ wadi yie you have prospered. I can give you 2 billion but it doesn't mean that you have prospered. It doesn't mean say what prosper. You have gotten money but you have not prospered. Enti ɛno wɔ hɔ enti obi wɔ ha yɛ boa no ɛmoa no adekodeɛ na wo pɛ no sɛ unya wie a tumi no ɔmma wo nkyɛn biem tieni o sɛ ɛyɛ contract ɛna wo pɛ ɛwɔ aban mu sɛ deɛ wo pɛ bia no sɛ tumi no ɛde ma wo wie a ɔmma wo nkyɛn biem wɔ ne wo wie contract ɛyɛ mmoa ɔde aboa wo apart from ɛno no ɔnsi wo nkyɛn biem yɛwɔ prosperity ɛwɔ hɔ yɛwɔ success ɛso wɔ hɔ na no success no so no makyerɛ mu ɛne ɛwɔ wealth ɛhonyadeɛ ɛne ɛwɔ nhyira yɛwɔ nhyira ɔhu sɛ abra a Yesu maame ɔkɔɔ ɛyɛ Elizabeth nkyɛn no ɔsi abra a wɔkyea me no ɛna akwalaa no a wɔhyɛ me yam no di anigye ehuriyɛ ɛdeɛ nti ɛyɛ dɛ no ohuyɛ akwalaa no hyia Yesu maame no akwalaa no was able to sense a blessing at that moment. Enti that person was happy. Enti enhyira no tieni enhyira sɛ yɛyɛ enhyira ne de ama wo a ɛno yɛwɔ nneɛma mmiɛnsa bi a yɛ consider yɛfrɛ no joy ɛna happiness ɛna mercy ɛno grace ɛnka ho favor ɛnka ho because favor any grace no ɛno ɛwɔ prosperity success ɛna wealth mu enti blessing no deɛ ɛno na yɛ the highest of them all. The blessings are highest of them all. Ɛni nti obi ka sɛ ɔpatafoɔ bless me a ɔyɛ me dan mi mfi da because the nti a ɔka sɛ mi nhyira wa ya mehwɛ wo din no mi tirim ne makoma mu sɛ saa asɛm na ɔkan no wo nte ase wote ase anka wonka to open your mouth and bless somebody it involves a lot. What you say sanity ɛno nti sɛ yɛ bless obi a tie nie yɛ bless obi a me na me yɛ saa deɛ na ma wa me consider eniema mienu joy happiness and a mercy ɛno na yɛwɔ spirit a yɛfrɛ wɔ mo ɛwɔ nyame ahenni mu na ɔmo nyinaa de ɔmo apam ɛne ɔmo tumi ɛba na yɛde fra adekodeɛ ne ma wo na wode kɔkɔyɛ deɛ wobɛsɛ ɔyɛ ansa na ɛnhyira no atena w'abrabom. Wate aseɛ obi bɛbusa sɛ na asekyerɛ ne sɛ yes joy no ɛyɛ anigyeɛ ewiase anigyeɛ onipa ɔwɔ hɔ a ɔwɔ sɛ w'anigye ɔwɔ sɛ wo ne wo ma anigye wo ne wo yere anigye wo ne wo kunu manitimi gye ɛwɔ abrabom nti ɛno yɛ joy abrabom anigyeɛ ɛne ɛwɔ happiness na happiness no ɛyɛ akomam obi wɔ hɔ a ɔwɔ joy but woni happiness. Happiness deals with the heart always beyond it lives within the heart but joy is sometimes comes externally. Entubos ene obeti asem ene na wasere echina na wate asem na wusu so entu obi wo ha oni abrabɔ na wɔbɔ no oni joy oni happiness oni akoma mu sereɛ ɛno yɛyɛ de ma wo yɛfrɛ tumi ne ayɛ de ama wo ɛtide bia w'ani gyi wɔ abrabɔ nim oma ɛde anigye ba oyere ukunu ɛde anigye ba deɛ nti a wo ne ukunu ko wo ne oyere ko sometimes ɛyɛ na ɛyɛ ahokyerɛ ne saa ɛka ne mente me ho ase no ba yɛyɛ blessing na baby a blessing will be a no me intimate na ho yɛsɛ yɛayɛ blessing no me intimate na ho enti obi wɔ a wobɛtumi anya ahunyadeɛ nyinaa so ani ngye da uhu osikani a owo sika owo cars owo fie so n'ani ngye da the reason is he has all the wealth but he's not a blessing. What you say? Onye nhyira obi wo ha owo agapade o cars o bibia nso onye nhyira oyawe say onye nhyira because ne car na owo nyina eni ne fie na owo nyina ne baba could be Satan asɛ no either say sebi preduasa. I don't mean to hurt anybody's feeling but obi a ne baba could be waye yalefo na brabo mu no ade bi won fie a edi ni nya but ontimi nka what you say enti abre bia obehu ne ba no ana obehu saa problem no abre bia obehu saa problem bia na ne raho because ne baby eho atocheba ne baby live a wayward life binti abre bi obehu bia or pretending to smile but oni anigye wonimu sanity. Enti God does not give blessings anyhow. Enti me for God to trust me with that higher authority, no, I don't give it to people anyhow. And yet, me mpewa asem kra metimi ama wanya hunyade bebre. Metimi ama wanya hunyade bebre. And yet, efie ni cars metimi am wanya bi but blessing there enye easy sir because blessings are highly transferable. So we read Genesis 49 me pacho be Genesis 49 Genesis 49 na yen kan say bi ho. If you have your Bible, open Genesis 49. I want to read something to you out. Very short and quick. Entisikano, saana machero no. Open why, betimi aboa and no simple as ABC. Now, Genesis 49 verse 22. Tienie, Joseph Genesis 49 verse 22. Or see Joseph oye dua eso aba mine. Dua eso aba wo ensuo aniwa ho mine. Ne mine tratra ofasuo. Verse 23. Momentofo hye no ya ototo no na wotan no. Genesis 49 verse 24. Or say nanso na ne tadua kura no pintin na ne basa mu ye den. Efri Jacob tumfo. Listen, Genesis 49. Genesis 49. Genesis 49 verse 24. Genesis 49 verse 24. Or say nanso na ne tadua kura ne pintin na ne basa mu ye den. Efri Jacob tumfo no nsam. Efri hwanya Jacob tumfo. Efri Jacob tumfo no nsam. Efri ohwefo a oye Israel botan no mu. efiri waja onyankopon omoa wo na efiri twedi ampon ho onhyira wo onfa osorosoro nhyira ene ebunu a etretre asemu nhyira ne nofo ne yafunu a yafunu mu nhyira enhyira wo enti no sa blessings we no protection is part of it. Protection is part of it. You can't die prematurely. You will be oha ubenya sika and so yale ebetete. You will be oha ubetimi esidan and so yale ebetete. You will be oha ubetimi anya ubetimi a prosper atoka ba kumienu and so wuni asumdwe da. You will not get peace. Why? Because the blessings of God is not in your life. You can acquire wealth. You can prosper in all your endeavors. You can become successful in everything that you do. But for the fact that you are successful or you have become prospered in all your endeavors doesn't necessarily mean that you are a blessing. Get that. Blessings comes when you have Genesis 49 verse 24 downwards. If you understand what I'm saying, Genesis 49 verse 24 down to 26. If you read that place, you understand what I'm saying. So blessings will be oha and kawase wu. Nanso so enhyira ewo usunti no untimi wu. There are some of you people, if the blessings of the Lord is integrated or activated in your life, even if it is bound for you to die, you will not. The blessings will take the curse of death from your life and replace it with long life and longevity. What you say? Enuntina enhyira Abraham onyini che, Moses enyini che, because na omukurukura nioma bi. Enti obi oha abrabo na wo no de bia o say Awurade nye ni sei, Awurade nye ni sei, Awurade nye ni sei. But life, it works on a principle. So what I say, God told Abraham that he will become a blessing unto his generation. But such never came into reality until he paid a visit to the great high priest Melchizedek. It was Melchizedek who pronounced the blessings of the Lord upon the life of Abraham. He was the one who materialized it. If you understand what I'm saying. Enunti saa nneɛma na amaka ni nyinaa no sika wom, enti success sika wom, prosperity sika wom, wealth sika wom, blessing sika wom, uhia favor ɛyɛ ɛmoa ɛno so sika wom. Enti saa na onyankopɔn ahenni ni mu no etie wɔ nneɛma bi wɔ hɔ a yɛnkyerɛkyerɛ mu nkyerɛw saa na etie. But ubon say success, prosperity, wealth, and blessing, they sound the same. But when you dive deeply, you realize that there's slightly differences. What you say? It will be you don't bless anyhow. That is why I don't bless anyhow. I can pray for you, but not blessing. I can pray for you. Metimi abompa ya ma. Amwenye sika pa. Tienie, ubetimi metimi abompa ya ma amwenye sika. Ma ye bia ma nipa bebre. But I don't say we inshira. I can pray for you to get money. I'm telling you. And become successful in anything that you do. But I don't just say we inshira. I don't just say we inshira. Ain't you know? Get that. Get that. Metima mwa adiye. Metima mwa sisifie. metima mo anye ska metimi a create sa ne mani nyina de amount spiritually na materialize physically. But when you have wealth, it doesn't mean you are a blessing. Blessings differ from wealth. A champion Asante, he says, my handsome papa, this evening it will not work. Yes, maybe Nyako. Papa, please, I need money. Oh, dear, I can grant you because money, it is easy to get money. It is easy to get money. Enti eho, eno na mumu nimu no. Eno na mumu nimu no. Or say, Papa, what will one do to become a blessing? Charity. For me to pronounce you a blessing, it depends. Kwajo, tell them, kwajo catch a champion Asante. Was emfa. Only na nikura. Only na nemfa. Charity. For me to pronounce you a blessing, do you know what it will take? A blessing. When I pronounce you a blessing, I have to give you powers. I have to give you powers. By force. It's part of the blessing. Delilah, it is a champion Asante. Fake love. Okay, so you see, into prosperity, success, wealth, blessing, and then favor. But sometimes, yana, one the yani and fankan. Tiano na menya attraction. Ubi oha ubenya wealth, but you will die prematurely. There are some of you will get wealth, but you will die prematurely. Hey, Jennifer Pia Santi. Jenny. Jenny Edia na ahwe. Opedie ya. Enu nti upesika tienie. Upesika obi wo ha uhie sika pa. Na sika no susu die tienie. Bia uwo bia ubetimi agi sika na free no anase unni obia but uhia opese ye connected to Onowable Bank. You can say Onowable Bank ase ne say eno ye ahonhom a omo ha omo grant enipa sika matete se nkrofuo bi se tumi bie ni wa etimi ma usika fisika omo kasa na mesre omo kasa na mesre omo kasa na mesre. Why? Because omo nim di omo ka sika no so ye wo sika efiri nsuom, ye wo sika efiri asase mu, ye wo sika efiri mframam tieni o ani ye wo sika efiri gem. Enti e depende de wo hwehwe, e depende de wo hwehwe. Enti so o ka se sika na wo pede a then sika no de no enchine de no ena metime de amount enchine esika no eye asase mu sika. Ebu oso a me say koto perfume obi wa me ma otimi koto perfume na me de ayama sa sika na me ma o de perfume aye akwankyere no na sika na ba beba mo amwola ne so de emumu bi mahu saa sika no eno ɛyɛ mframa deɛ saa sika no ɛyɛ mframa deɛ eno no yɛyɛ spiritual operations etapo eto dimensions bi na yɛayɛ de ama wo yɛwɔ mframa deɛ wɔ hɔ ɛna sika na ɛyɛ a me se kopekube no ɔn sɛ eno no ɛyɛ nsuo eno no ɛyɛ nsuo ɛyɛ nsuo eno no ɛyɛ nsuo deɛ nti wobɔkube a yɛwɔ sika efiri nsuo mu ba Kwadwo Apia Asante ɔsɛ can you explain deɛ tie ne sɛ Kwadwo Apia deɛ tie ne sɛ sika na efiri egya mu no ana sika efiri mframa mu no ɛno ɛho adwuma yɛ den nti ya menta mfa manipa ɛno ne yɛ kreti de ma wo ɛno deɛ mea na me kreti no spiritual de ma wo nti ɛno me kreti de ma wo a adwuma na woyɛ no na ma kreti sika na fa hɔ de ama wo eti unexpected people bi na bɛba ɛne ɔmbɛ pɔmpi sika na ma wo saa na ɛno no I will take my share me pɔmpi de ma wo do limit bi a obema me share wa ma me a mmagyae me mpu mframa ni bi mmagyae nti obi wɔ hɔ no ma yɛ nkrofo bi wɔ laa yi so o ma yɛ din ya me mo kɔtɔ me se kɔtɔ perfume na me fa nya ade ma wo nti okɔ a ebo nsɛm ama wa kankasa bi na o de afriska o si me friska nti ɛno wɔ hɔ Christopher omo bro enti sika wɔ hɔ menua sika wɔ hɔ obi obaka cho se sika ni obi oboa metimi akriti sika ma me come in some Bible enu ti na me mfa asɔre ye hu no me mfa asɔre ye hu opa ma me nya asɔre opa ma me nya asɔre me mfa me hu you create then you enjoy ska ho obi obaka cho se sika ni obi oboa ene ne nipa no onim de oye nipa na nkasa no onim Bible se Yesu timi ma Peter ekoto dra eyi fish ebie nanum na sika wɔ nanum de a ene me so metimi akreti bi me so metimi akreti bi me opatafo me so metimi akreti bi I enjoy life the woman to be on ma ntina me fa sorry whether you pay tithe or you pay offering or whatever no they mean few ye wo mo ba for de o eno de e wo a to wo ankasa bi a wonya problem nti problem na wanya no bia wanya case bia case na do beko afiase na opese odifo patafo mi a me tinam na me ye niam ma wa eno de obebo hyewa for de papa ya chim wo Norway ya chim wo Afghanistan ya chim wo Pakistan ya chim wo UK ya chim wo US charge ya de ato me sunie e da me file so me sere papa jiwe ana me na me kire o se me paade we fama me wo de mamia papa ye bibi ni angeli me eno de metimi kura ma ne eye me nkasa bebre no me sere o me mfrɛ me susu emfrɛ me na me line no aye hot dada wada roma and this cow ho Fifi Esuma, thank you very much. ska wo ho obi obeka se ska ni obi oboa ena me untimi mfa me bantum me ye mfa me bantum me Charlie, I get something for my room. It be this way I go talk some woman be say I get something for my room where the woman can't talk me say he go can't look at the thing where I talk say he dey my room. Nothing dey my room. Nothing dey my room. But it's just that I want to tell you that there is something. And bibi anywhere and a young guy of my type and Karen Chell say like I'll not be what you have been seeing, if you understand what I'm saying. Nyoma ho something day, nyoma wo hotu. Munana masono yase mason. If you understand what I talk. Charlie, sorry for you people living in Pakistan and then the other Western world who don't understand what I'm talking about. Very soon we will turn everything to English. And tiase emo obi nada. Obe ka kire me say to me bia ni ho otimi masika physical. Na maji wadi. To me bia ni ho. Na bonsam eye bonsam mumpo. Me wo ahonhom more than 100 me opatafoɔ me wo ahonhom more than 100 metimi afre wo bonsam mu tienie Satan mu a ombetimi agrantel sika life physical cash eno ye bonsam eno ye bonsam na say you were demons. Sometimes you people don't make research. Some of you people don't make research. If in the kingdom of darkness, if we have demons who can grant you your wishes, what makes you think that the Spirit of God cannot do the same? Maybe so, would you more truthful to yourself? Ewo nyankopon ye wo tumi a bonsam ye wo demons wo ha omutimi grant wo wish e ma osika na nyankopon mu na oni de oni tumi. It's just that you don't have it. It's just that you don't have it. Don't and once you don't have it you think say that's how it is. When you are not connected on a certain dimension, when we talk you will think oh boy. If you understand what I'm saying. Anything. KP says, Eja, please, I have a case that requires your attention. I don't want to do too. She, me catch me baby. And then say me na me catch you. I didn't know to tell you anything. She, when they are more pe baby hot, yeah, more pe to me, papa. And I'm with this uncle for ye China. Holy Ghost fire, no more how more sir. Nana J Senior, please, Papa, I have opened a shop 3 months now, and I need money through my shop and expand it. Yes, we have it. I can do it for you. Me met me a yama. Me who shop cra. Me who shop cra met me a yama. Me met me a ye. We nya fena mka cho say nya me be yo. Se mka cho say nya me be ya e nkran hye na ma hye. The powers have been granted to me. Your business, super see yes, expanding business, ma we nya simbia. We cry we nya some. Enunti o disikano open moi metimi ama moi. But moi na ohwehwe no open tell the fine. Obasi grant a wish from the unknowable world. Mr. Osei, we moi muni Mr. Osei no. Na mo busa no obeka kire before God and man. I say we are making say me twan to already into ameka. Say my share that so na me creative story already into ameka. by a real Radin Shrami. Tamwa Mishia, Mr. Osefufron. And Mr. Osei. I know about Minche Ufie or Betratna, why you didn't come up. Na Okufi. Till one day, and catch them say, Papa, Upiska. One day, no catch them so Upiska. Nam so Upiska pa, or say, I'm so okay, Martin. But only mobia obeti me amani ska. Or say there be. And it is sad there. Or say me granting access to the unknowable world. The castle unknowable world that sika ebeba wa kwemu a unim hu nim de na unim ba bia sika ni firi. What you say? I say we are make a true story. Ena me catch and say onkonko ya kwankyere nti o ya kwankyere no wa ya kwankyere in 7 days we hu hwe nti oba me nchen wote wona wa muna na me so hwe ni din so but or the reference eni die di mame but no wa muna woni mu sana mpesa me kyerɛ nti watete wona o didi enkomo na me ni di nko na me so na osika ye nti me boss na was papa ma osika na ma hwe amba na me hwe ni din Mr. Mankasa. And I'm saying, we are sure Zam, I was saying, but I know, say, I intentionally didn't connect him to that dimension. I know. I only wanted to test his heart. So what happened was, after say, one man, and now me heard the wire now, and I'm rad them, and I'm ye baby. Fashion with him said me. OPATAFUOR me see me bibi ana me yi bibi the man say onko yes ade we na we na anadwo no say waye ne ho say wonsuro hwe no ye ade no na ofre ade no ofre oso opesika ono a be hu say yes opesika o ya ade na Yadie na brese pa na ba bondo ade chi ye no na odimri ka bae ina obeka kire me say o se wo pesika enso nye sa sika we bi because we di obi abeka se wakogi sketru e na afi susu no na osuro se bia ne babibewu ana ni huni pa bibewu ni akase wakogi sketru se nya sa na nyametio yankopon omma osika a di problem be brewda yankopon omma osika di problem be brewda yankopon omma osika di problem be brewda. It's just that you people you don't know how to handle prophet who have power of our type. You see us to be equal to these pastors who have been staging miracles in their churches. You see us to be the same thing, but we are not of the same level. I say we do ombeka swako jiska we die ho anda ho. I see we die ho anda ho. Yeah. Yes. Jennifer Piasante, he says, yes, so because of these African magic movies you have been watching, who told you? You have this in your mind. You have this. Somebody has distorted your state of reasoning by telling you that there is no spirit here on earth that can grant you money. What they are shouting? Hey, then Yankupon to me mausika, one a bit me a mausika. onyankopɔn ontimi ma osika hwan ne betimi ama osika ɛna mpɛsɛ mi hu mo a mo wala ne so no sɛ mo se nyankopɔn tumi ntimi ma musika ɛne hwan ne betimi ama musika abra yesu ɛho kyere no obi wɔ hɔ a ɔho kyerɛw obi wɔ hɔ a ɔho kyerɛw paa uhia instant miracle. You need a miracle so that you can be able to turn yourself. It's like you are being tied at a tight corner. You ask ya chechero e tight corner bi. Uhia bibi e dia ye bibi. E bi na 2 years no. They were demanding for taxes, and Jesus didn't have anything. He was not having any money on him, so he had to create miracle. Jesus had to create miracle instantly. That is why he told the apostles, Peter, to go to the sea and cast a hook into the river. O see, Nyankopɔn tumi ni ho. Adentia. Kwasiada teachings ne what do you call it? More Sunday school teachings ninti. And to feel say the way a wiase aye den no. Ena me odifo opatafuo. Mi sika minya no. Minya free asori. Eye asori ameye ne Sunday. Ne makogina ho na magic collection. Na makika collection na boom na makwa kodia. U feel say nka me ho nkyere me. Ah? Nibusao nti opatafuo de mi we gisem me koya asole Sunday na magege tight na mage offering ansa na odifo opatafuo metimi anya biedi. I was never taught like that. God never trained me in that way. I was never trained that way. I was never trained like that. Nyankopɔn wanted to me say me ya sorry and me sika ana gise me ya adwumaden ansa na me sika. But me Nyankopɔn tete me say once ube create portal na to ho sika be famu abasa. Et say ya connect pipe aba ofie. De hia say ube bie pipe no ensuo ni beba. Huh? Now, the way I'm sikasa. The pastors cannot speak the way I speak because they need tithe, they need offering. Me, you provoke me, I shut down the church and block your number. I'll not even talk to you. That is my reality. You provoke me, I block you, I shut down the church. The only pastor who has set records is OPATAFUOR Adentia. Because getting money doesn't necessarily mean that I should do church before I'll get money. No. Money has its different way of getting it. I have so many keys to get money. Let me show you one secret. One secret I'm in Yeska. Auntie, I don't care church and those stuff. One secret in say, ubi oha, ma creative spiritual money portal no ho. Inti ubi oha bo se MPB, minister bi, business tycoon bi, ube hu broni bi awabo ne brao, owo ni ska. Na wa favor, ana say, ube hu say, aban nipa bi wa say, odifo opatafuo. We a contract, a deal. Bia me per contract $5 million, $10 million, $100 million. Say o boame e ma me nsaka me ma o say. Na mama wa committee. I know meji bibi kitwe bi na firi wunsem. Na ma ye niyama na wie na ma ka kire say bro ko na kokoye we. Kona koye di opesa oye no. Ti ube wani a grant no na yɛde contract na man ne yɛtua sika ne bew ɔpatafoɔ account ne yɛsɛn na me de ama no no a transfer me de atum kufu na me enjoy life saa nneɛma wei na meyɛ nti me asɔre 100 years kura na me nyɛ asɔre a ɛmfa me ho cause tithe and offering no kura no sɛn na ɛbɛba me gi 500 gi $1 million so say Sunday service a me ye be wie na 1 cedi na dɔso offering bonu ɛno de ne menya. You see how money works. Those people who were conspiring for my church to collapse so that I'll go bankrupt. What you say? So that I'll go bankrupt. And I was laughing at them because they think my source of income was directly from the church. I don't benefit from there. I don't benefit from there. And to me, oh mommy, 1,000 years every month we are meeting the bundles actually. And yeah deals. Me deals. Me nioma. That's how me delay o. Me kind of crash or me dealings no. Me dealings na me ye no. Enye bi ni modia na mo ye no asori dem kwasi ada no. Ma me nkyere obi beka se ehefa na Yesu be ye bi. Me pa cho ma me nkyere wade. Abra Yesu na ote ase no na ohia sika e de aye ni ministry. Tienye abra Yesu ti ase no na ohia sika e de aye ni ministry. Nti unim de Yesu ye obo akwankyere anadwo na watwe krom ho adefo ni esikafo. Enti Nicodemus, Joseph Arimathea, sankrofo nyina no mo ye adefo. Go and read the Bible say me boa. No mo ye adefo. Omo ye adefo omo wo sika e wo krom ho. Yesu ene create sa portal no ema sa esikafo ne behwehwe no. Enti edura anadwo a ensolemani nyina kofie no na Yesu ne sa esikafo ne te ho. Na oma omo akwankyere. Jesus was giving Joseph Arimathea's direction. Nicodemus, you have heard about Nicodemus. Do you know how rich Nicodemus was? Nicodemus was a filthy billionaire. Huh? Nicodemus was a filthy billionaire. And I know 1st August, I showed you people 800,000 Ghana cedis. Convert it into dollar, American dollar or Canadian dollar. I believe that's the two highest dollars we have. It's about 50, 60,000, $70,000. Dollar be that. So the question is, church money, we are not the do church. If you rich like that, we will asori sika etimi duru etimi sise me nya asori etimi duru sa bondo no me kire wade bi se woni odifo opatafo na mo a me de miracle no at any time bia metimi ye bi entimi emane emfa nhye otirim se chinchina da agi se wo de wo kon wo ho agi se wo ye bibi dindindin bi nemom se me ka se me hira wo sika mu a ade bi a wo ye bia metima ma na ye sika ma wo eno na fa se otirim pesa me clear without mo nteni o ma ase o ka se obi a ohia sika. Okay, Kojapi Asante says 100,000 Canadian dollars. Okay. Now obi a no ho kire no obetimi yi 100,000 Canadian dollar. Now ote Canada cry, is it easy to get 100,000 Canadian dollar? But first August, yeah, I showed you that. It's a chicken change. It's a chicken, not even a chicken. This one, rich chicken change. It be this thing. It be a data bundle in money that. You know what I do? Sometimes we should just say we no go explain things, give you people. Oh. That is why I know they radio then always I dey tell you say call me. Those pastors who need money, when you flash them, they will call you back. I'm telling you, test that and see. You flash a pastor in Ghana, and all of a sudden, the pastor will return your call back. He needs money. Sure. Yasɛ w'adwene. Oh, onipa bi di biribi ato tirim, ɛna yasɛ w'adwene. Oh. Yɛde biribi ato w'adwene. Hwɛ. Yɛde biribi ato tirim. Yɛde ato tirim sɛ Nyankopɔn ntimi nhyira. Hɛ. Me sister, me come in some Bible. Me to me a me ne nam. Eka ka me timu koba. Say me, I can do something for you and create money spiritually for it to appear physical. I'm telling you. Anything who the way I'm at here. Sometimes when they call me, I know they pick. You busy yourself, say why you call every prophet way the prophet they pick, but this guy they call him. Last time, some guy some men has been in them did the lie where they confess, say, Charlie, OPATAFUOR, we call you 2-3 years, we know they get you. Do you know why? Charlie, we did do things so. Jesus was able to pray and connect people, and connect the rich people in the society. So those rich people came to him and they gave him something right from his birth. The 3 wise men visited Jesus and each of them gave him a gift. That is power. Man bi na me pena sempa. Man bi me pena sempa na oba me nchen. Na oye good pa na oso peska na me so o de ska de me ma obi. Na ebom sori anajo. Ko gina ha sei na yesi. Uye wi akofie ne koda. Ska ne beba. Wa hu sika tumi da. O se dabi. Na me se ko ska ne beba. Sika no chance se ba no. Na mine na sa be ka kire me say OPATAFUOR sa de we na wa ye no enye biem esa obi ani ho obedi wachi wa abrabom because obi be ka say ya duro metenase because first na ye kwa asore no osum nyame a na ekom de sa na odros nyina atete first no osum nyame a obesum nyame na odros nyina atete adentia because o adwene mu no adwene ye o say Nyankopon de ye no anse udi nachi oma na ekom de untimi nya samana papa bia kura nware no better perfume so yaye wa adwene ye de ahye utirim say Nyankopon de ye no ane say fa akoma ne nante watale atete odros atete kura fasum nyame sa ne de ahye utirim ane aka kire say sika de eye bonsam wan ne ka kire. Go and read the Bible carefully. Sometimes I wonder how some of you, these believers, you make certain comment, knowing fully well that it is right there in the Bible. And me want another stream. I pray for business tycoons, business moguls. I pray for them. They pay tithe, huge sums of tithe. It no be $3,000, $4,000, $5,000. That one cried there, be yawa. I pray for people, then the people where they get business, they pay huge sums of tithe. They pay to me. Me, yes, in Crawford, omutia tithe. Ibina na Yesu, Joseph ne, Joseph Arimathea, ene Nicodemus, na omuye ni wusumase, edima Yesu no. They were paying something to Jesus. And the Bible told you, said, Nicodemus went to Jesus, and Jesus told him, say, I just see a one of fufro. Me boy, a drew maybe a dear. Yesu who say, at this critical moment, he needs money, but the rich men are not there to give him money that particular moment. What exactly did Jesus do? He told Peter, say, Onko ensuom na fish na obeche no sika hye nanum me pacho sa fish no hwan na de ne koto nsuo nim me busamo mo ho nyina me busamo fish na Yesu ma Peter ekochie no a na sika hye nanum no me busam fish na Yesu ema Peter kochi na sika hye nanum no me pacho eno no na ye de ya why na di sika no share fish nanum na fish no so na ofiri hin na saade na Yesu ye no enye instant miracle enye sunsun bi na di sika ne baaye fish na ewo ensuo na si nyina no me pacho sika ehihye omanum ana na ade na wo de ye da wo se Kristo na awosom no age se wo ye hia ni ansana bia me yan kyerɛkyerɛ me saa o nti sɛ udimachi a me pacho e was sad asase we so utimi enjoy life na uwu a wasa akɔ enjoy life. Jesus commanded money to appear life in the mouth of a fish. Jesus commanded money to appear life in the mouth of a fish. And today Jesus is no more. And you claim, say you are a pastor, and you still doubt instant money, miracle money. You still doubt. Ekyerɛ Nyankopɔn yɛ adom a ekyerɛ Nyankopɔn yɛ adom a me di sika kwa nkyerɛ betu dwa ɛno ɛyɛ mmoa o ɛyɛ mmoa nti ekyina me ba life na woni hɔ a don't blame me and then me ba life na woni hɔ a me pese adeɛ na wo kwakoye no wote ase. That is why I have taken my time to explain things to you. Timi miti wei yewo asofo a omutimi ko meeting na omo say ye good boy na sorry na ye good boy na sorry a eno anu no onya sika na me ba cho time na me ya sorry no kura no me yi sika bi kire enanu a me papa ha me na or ha me no me di 6 months in a see fie no efie na me de kire me di 6 months o enye say me di 2 years o me di 6 months 6 months me papa na say opefie me say mama nsima 6 months busa obi a o mantem ho bia 6 months unim di ntia nti sister me di 6 months me busa obi a o mantem ho me di 6 months in the sea efie no 6 months. I'm telling you, go and ask everybody. Those people over there, they always say this house is a magic house. Why? Because they just woke up and all of a sudden it was there. 6 months, I'm telling you, 6 months. Now your plaster me chere say Some of you people, the thought you have about God is different. Throw those thoughts away. Jennifer Piasant. Jennifer says, "Oh, Papa, my house self since 2017 still ongoing. Why? Your house, it be tortoise way they build them. Jennifer, your house, it be tortoise way they build them. It be tortoise. Huh? Ah. And I am young. Jennifer, since 2017, if be tortoise way be your contractor. Hey, Rad, you need money. You need money. And you need power to create multiple streams and availability. You need it. And now unim say sika odi be ko edan ho no ensa amba o. Mo amasi dan ni bi no. Mo ya we say odi sika ko dan ho a sika no ensa amba. Hwe mote ho na asofo ni binu mo daadaawo ene omo se me opatafoɔ kyerɛ wo sɛ memfiri nyame na otuo no wagye edi ne ntidie ne ma yɛ mfiri nyame. Sister, you need help or else saa wadwuma na wo yɛ na bosumi bia yetua wo ka $4,000, $5,000, $6,000 no entimi mboa unim de entimi mboa because bosumi ne so na wo di akatua na mo amote America edan ka ebefafa mo amote UK Canada edan ka ebefafa hospital niwa ni asa afre wo fie sise Ghana cement bo kra yede edan ka kra yede Ghana hasise Ghana enu ntino wohia tumi bi a wobetimi di aye bibi ma tumi na ma bibi asi ama na wo ho aye ha me pauche o me busaw mo am line so no me busaw enti America ho no Canada ho na wote no enti sikani bi ani ho adenti na Yesu de ye wo Yesu to ho no esikafo kɔhwehwɛ no e man gold na wo de bra wa abrabom obi wo ha wo hwɛ me wasum esikafo saa wasum esikafo saa enso mu hu mo boda adentia because you are powerless. The adie bie no a edi wachi ana ewo wabrabom a ekotwe emwa afiri esikafo no ho ne de abrew. So when I tell you say there are a lot of streams to create wealth, to create money, we say opatafuo yo oya azan when I catch you Eyedena Nicodemus eyedena Joseph Arimathea na oye chusa aban mu panyini oye panyini pa na Kaiser guest room paying for okohwe Yesu mumu bi wo ho a muni MPs nanam muni ministers nanam obi wo ha wo ye MPP ni wo ye NDC ni obi hwem sisi a oye NDC ni onim President Mahama onim Chief of Staff Mr. Deborah onim mpanyimfoɔ ɛwɔ aban mu enso wɔfra obi amfa ne call na obi amfa wo call no onim sɛ uhia tumi a ebetimi a ɛde wo ho adwendwene ato president so ato vice president so ato regional minister so ato MP so na watimi aboa wo ana wonim saa unim se uhia bibi uhia nyankopon eho bibi a ebetimi akonnect amwanya esikafo anum adom mibusaw mumu bi muninim mpanyimfo wo man Ghana mu enso so mpanyimfo ni wura fi mu some of you people muninim mpanyimfo enso omu ntimi mmoa mo enso omu ntimi mmoa mo adentia. There is nothing in there to help you people. You don't have that forces, that power, that forces of attraction to attract that positive vibe. You don't have it. Na me catch you say, "Oho kwan nyina asisi." Nti ma me mie ma wa wo say, asem na sofo no oboa oyaza. You say kra de oya okot ni. Hey, oh you funny pa. Mo amu America. Mo amu Canada, mo amu Germany, mo Italy, mo Spain, mo UK. Enti esikafuo ni ho. Na nka die enti na ye boa obi. Die enti ni ye boa obi. Obi timi kɔ, obi timi ye na obi sikani bi ahu na boa ne keke. Wakɔtena America 20 years ni. Wakɔtena America 18 years, 16 years ni. Emwa bi amfiri ba bi ma adwuma koraa unya bi nye. Ɛna oda so te America. Ɛna de bia oti YouTube, oti TikTok, ɛna wasere. Hey! Na o comment na u di atemfa ho. Ghana de sister chai saa de no wate. Na pedi papa di n'achi na osofo papa bi nkyerɛkyerɛ wo nneɔma pa. Na timi ewie wo dan no. Me ka no kora kyerɛ sɛ nyame tumi wɔ hɔ a wo sɛ nyame tumi bi ani wɔ. Wana ka kyerɛ wo. Hwɛ. Obi wɔ ha obi wɔ ha wo yɛ sɔfo. Wo nsɔle obi wɔ ha sɔfodie na wudi no. Wo nsɔle makora tiri mu ɔden wɔ wo so. Na wonim sɛ ɛyɛ tumi na woni. Obi wɔ ha wo yɛ sɔfo na wo hwɛ me. Wan kasa wo nsɔle ma. Omu tiri mu ɔden wɔ wo so. Obi wɔ ha wan kasa wo nsɔle ma. Omu tiri mu ɔden wɔ wo so. Ensɔle ma obi bia na omo onwenwen. Some of you people, your own church members, some of the pastors who are watching me, your own church members, they my head they hard for your top. They be hard-hearted people. They know if he give you anything. Media, no. Me, my church members, them are hard. No be hard. Me solema. Obiya ni wa na kuma drink that. Obiya kuma nyeti. They give it to me freely. I pray for them freely. I do something for them freely. Sana metie. And you may be me na metimi a kyerɛ wo link no, na kyerɛ sɛ faha nansi wiye. Enti mesrɛ sesa wadwene. Na no me ka kyerɛ sɛ ahokyere bi na eba no, uni sika untimi survival. What you say? Uni sika untimi survival. What you say? Enti mesrɛ nyame tumi wɔ hɔ wate. Saa nkrɔfoɔ na ɔmo titi TV so na ɔmo stage miracle ne deɛ. Udi ɔmo akyi a ɔbɛbrɛ. Udi ɔmo akyi a ɔbɛbrɛ. Ɔmo bɛmo abrɛ saa because they can't do anything. Saa na tie. Nti ɔpatafoɔ nyame adom a yɛbɛhyia na yɛdi nkɔmmɔ. Then they lie you say obi timi the interview bi send me na masere o say sofo bi obeka kire say nyankopon timi ma osika bia sa sofo no won kan kore o ya azan nyankopon timi apai epokoko mu nyankopon atimi ama mana nyankopon atimi akoso quails ama mo appear life Yesu Kristo atimi abompaye ama gold apie ewo fish enum enti bibi nka nkyerɛ sɛ saa nneɛma na ɔma yɛ Yesu wɔn wa ne create that thing ana woni Ye was safo bi wo ha nyame amfa ama na nyankopon de ma wo a obehu sese wiase ye de pa wiase ye de tabe achina mu bi bekọ adwuma nti Ghana fo na mu bekọ adwuma no mu free line so na mu nkoda me chia Ghana mpanyimfo nyina America fo de esam de mo time no nti mu bebre time no sa kwadwo jai na omu ya na mehwe omu din the way am pese me ye amanfo bi a omo sole a omo limit nyankopɔ tumi ne ya na ye me yase ha ya mo limit nyame obi timi ka se nyame nyankopɔ ntimi ma wonya sika age se okoye adwuma no kre ye wo kwan a ye fa so eye adwuma enya sika eno e ho na unim se metimi am wakoye gold unim se metimi am wakotu gold tienie unim se metimi am wakoto gold metimi am wakoji gold asase na gold no ma sika wa asase ni mu ama no watu ana unim se metimi am wakoto gold asase na ma beye nioma wa asase ni mu na ma sika wo mama mantem ho obi a betu gold ni bi onya bi enso nko abọ ha obenya sika ana unim eno so no enye another way no metimi afre sika ma metimi afre sika ma o say ma frɛ no enu ni gikɔ metimi am akɔgye concession na watu gold enye sika ana eno so enye sika ni bisa wo eno so enye sika enti nioma bi wɔ hɔ a enje hu akyinye na nyankopɔn kura no ahohom no nyame abɔfo no omo nwene se omo ma osika age se omo wo ye adwuma bre ansa na omo ma osika because wo no wutirimu ne wa adwene mu no you don't believe in those things. You believe only in working hard. If hard work pays, then all the donkeys in the world would have become billionaires. It is good when you work. Anybody who tells you that working is bad, that person is a total liar. So it is good when you work, but in reality, there are some people, they have worked for 30 years. They have nothing to show. I know some scholars. There are people who have their masters who are watching me right now. They have worked more than 15, 10 years, 20 years, yet they have nothing to show. So what is actually going on? But they can attest to the fact that they have work. They have job that they have been doing. And so ubusane 10,000 Ghana kura onyama. Ya. You will be wako pension na brabo nyina say unim die ntia obi beka say an tama no wo aban mu no wantoto ne nioma yie hwe obi wo ho a ototo ne nioma yie na nso so no sunsum boni ani tumi boni bi e wo ne fie nti no wantimi amobra ai sofu bi na asem o kan o say ye bobra etim fifiri inya sika na bosom ahwim ko Jennifer Apia Sante ene date ye say ene ye seed of August 2025. Receive the grace to finish your house in the name of Jesus. Jennifer Apia Sante, receive power to finish your house. Now, if you na channel 2017, hey, hey, 27. Na Jennifer Apia Sante, ufie na wahin. Jennifer, me bacha uncompleted building na wahin fa. Echina embo 8 now to ho twa me. Hey Jennifer, your house day kaswa. Hey Jenny. Your house day kaswa. Kaswa. Kaswa de ho de obse hu. Jennifer. Jennifer minim say wo Canada. Na adentina kaswa na wo. Enya hwe nyambe. Okay, so echina na me yado a share me. Na o se nyankopon ntimi grant nipa sika. O de mekere no uye bia obehu se nyame grant nipa. Na emom nya akokoduro. Na china me kire o na se esro. Ambe bishia. Bye bye.